Okay, here we'll begin showing you how to start filling in the run report with the dispatch information. You'll notice at the top of the tablet PCR there's a series of buttons, and initially they are gray. The one you're working on is blue, and also down this left side is another series of buttons. Based on which button you have clicked over here, for example assessment, these buttons change down this side. Once you have completed an area, it will turn orange, that orangish red color there. We're going to go back and look at this, and we want to click on the call source. So we're going to click here on 911 dispatch. Run number, I entered a bogus run number so I could find it later and delete it. Not all of these need to be filled in. If anything is required, it will tell you at the very end. If they don't apply to this particular run, then you can skip that, and if it's something that needs to be filled in, it will tell you at the end with the complete call rules. Dispatch complaint. Let's say this run was Burns. Priority, we responded with lights and siren. There was no change in response priority. Call type is trauma. Call type here is ALS. Let's say it was in Heath Township, so you click that and you'll notice that there are check marks next to whatever you have checked. If you do make a mistake, you can click it again. It will uncheck that and click it again, and it will. Some of them will go on to the next field and some won't. Destination, let's say we're going to transport to Harrison County Hospital. Response delay, if there was none, then nothing has to be checked there. Responding with, this is your fire departments, police departments. Primary role of your vehicle, it was transport. And again, you can scroll down through the list like this. If there was no dispatch delay, then that doesn't need to be filled in. EMD performed defaults to no, because oftentimes we don't know. If you do know that it was performed with pre-arrival instructions, then with or without pre-arrival instructions, go ahead and click those. Your EMS response number. The pickup address on this one is going to be scene of the emergency. If the run is a transfer from, for example, from Harrison County Hospital to another facility, then you have those facilities listed in here as well, and then they will fill in the address automatically. With scene of the emergency, you can fill that information in there on your own. At this point, it's best to, once you're in one of these tabs, like the run, I've done the dispatch, it shows me where I'm at because it's blue. I can go down to the times, and I can fill in those times. You can click now if you are doing this at the time of the run, which most of the time we do not. You can pick from a list, again scrolling up and down as you need to. Make sure that the date is correct. If you are completing this on a different date than the run was actually dispatched on, then you'll need to change those dates. To do that, you can click on Can't Find. You can either type in these windows with the keyboard or use the numbers on the little keypad here. And again, don't forget the date. For our night crews, if your run crosses over midnight, let's say that we've crossed midnight and the run actually originated on yesterday's date, I can click on yesterday and it will change that date to yesterday. Or again, I can put that in manually. And then you have the information that you're going to fill in down this in these fields. When those are complete, you can fill in your mileages. And notice that as I go through these, the tabs are turning orange to let me know that I've been through those. It does not, I think I misspoke earlier, it does not wait until you're completed with those, but if you've been through those fields, it lets you know that you've been through them. You can put your odometer mileages in, again using the keyboard or this keypad on screen. You have scene information as far as where the patient was found, what type of place it was, but was it a street or highway, was it a farm, for example. Police officers that helped you, number of patients, was this a mass casualty incident, etc. You also have things here under first responders, such as chief complaints, that can be filled in as well.